Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about defining objects of the class template, part of programming in C++ course. Defining objects of a class template in C++ involves specifying the data type that the class template should use. This is done by using angle brackets and placing the data type within the brackets. Here is an example of how to define an object of a class template stack. In this example, an object S of type stack int is created. The stack class template is instantiated with the int data type. So the object S is capable of storing int values. You can also create objects of the class template with other data types such as double or char by specifying the data type in the angle brackets. This allows you to create objects of the same class with different data types based on your needs and requirements. The compiler generates a separate class for each instantiation of the class template with the appropriate data type specified in the angle brackets. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.